Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search for Gmail app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.